Hi demonstrator friends, it's Shauna here. I have my cheat notes with me so I don't forget the things that I want to tell you about today. Right now in June of 2020, Stampin' Up! Has a really good starter kit special, a free bundle in addition to all the other good things that come with the starter kit. So that brings me to today's question. Why would you want your customer or your friend to buy the starter kit? It's a good question, especially since those are the people that help you to reach your quarterly minimums. So I have 3 reasons for you to consider. First of all, they know people that you don't know. A couple years ago, I invited my sister to purchase the starter kit. She's not a demonstrator anymore, but she was for about a year. And I came to realize that even though we have all the same relatives and a lot of the same friends, she still had other entire groups of people that I didn't know. So friends from work, friends from baseball, those kinds of things. So we were able to reach further with Stampin' Up! Because she was a part of my team. Secondly, you might want them to buy the starter kit from you because it's the very best deal. If I have a friend who places a $135 order from me, I can thank them by maybe giving them a small package of embellishments, or I can offer them a free card class, but it's something fairly small. I can't go back to them and say, here's this $30 Stampin' Up! Gift from me. And basically, that's what the starter kit is doing. It's giving the people who buy the starter kit an extra $30 gift in product. So that's something I would definitely want for my customers and friends. And in addition, right now, they get to choose a bonus bundle, and it could be anywhere from $40, $50, $60, I think up to an $80 bundle to add on. So that's a gift that I want for my customers and friends. And finally, what I think is the most compelling reason for someone to buy the starter kit from you is that then they will be able to attend official Stampin' Up! Events with you. You'll be able to go to those events together. The Stampin' Up! Regionals, and maybe even the Stampin' Up! Big Convention in Salt Lake City. Stampin' Up! Does just an amazing job on their events. Like, they are so much fun, they are professional and just top-notch. And if you haven't had a chance to go to a Stampin' Up! Event, my wish for you is that you will get to do one, we will get to attend one of these days, and it would be so much fun to be able to take a friend or a stamping customer with you. So those are my top 3 reasons, just to recap, because they know people that you don't, because you want them to receive the very best deal, and because they'll be able to attend Stampin' Up! Events with you. And you never know, as an added bonus, you might end up going on to a new title. I guess that's the word I'm looking for, is promotion. You might end up promoting, and then Stampin' Up! Will have some special things that they'll be extending along to you as well. So I hope that gave you some ideas of why you might want your friend or your customer to buy the starter kit. And enjoy your Stampin' Up! Journey for however long that you do it, and have a super day.